Okay, you guys remember this fitting right here for the vacuum port. It has been re-Teflon coated so it does not leak. Let's get that guy screwed in. And I think after that I will finally get around to bolting on that coil pack. Fail. Had the slippage. Oh no. Tell me that just slipped and didn't break. Okay. No, I broke it. I broke it a lot. So now I gotta shut up phone, I'm not in the mood. Now I have to dig this thing out. That was a major epic fail on my part. I'm just gonna hit it with a screwdriver and just dig into it and back out the threads. This is gonna take me a minute. I'll be back when I get that thing extracted. Epic fail. Okay, so this little plastic fitting thing that goes here is unobtainium unless I want to wait 10 days to get it from GM. So we're going on a field trip to the junkyard. I don't wish to wait 10 days to get replacement components, so we're gonna go find a used one. This will suffice. Let's ride. So time is of the essence. I have to be back in 50 minutes. And it's about a 15-minute drive each direction, so I don't have too much free time on this particular matter. And the reason I have to get back is I have an appointment coming in at 10, so we're just gonna get right down to the nitty-gritty and get this mission accomplished. I'll check back in with you guys when we get to the salvage yard. Alrighty, we are here at the salvaging yard. Let's go poke around in the trash piles and see if I cannot locate that little fitting that I so desperately need. Power down. All right, we're in the boneyard. Check it out. This is what they look like after they've gone through the shredder. Piles, little chunks of nothing. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna start walking the rows here until I find that 3.5 liter. I think the guy said there's like 1 or 2 of them on the lot back here. Well, we'll see. He said row 22. I think I went into row 2. But I'll poke around. There's lots of stuff in here. Ooh, what do we got? Yep, I think that's our winner right there. It's on the 3.4 liter, but GMB and GM. That should be the appropriate fitting. Let's pull that one off and we'll go with that. I'll try to find that Pontiac that they said that they had and we'll compare the two, but I think that's our winner right there. I didn't bring a camera mount, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with the odd angles and whatnot. Like I said, I'm trying to do this with a quickness because I have an appointment coming in. Pull this guy off right here. Let's not break it. This might be the only one in town. And I don't want to do what I did the first time because that would be bad. Hey, it fits. All right. Reverse click. And the survey says, I think we've got a winner. I think that's it. Cool. All right, well, this went better than planned. I guess while I'm here, I'm gonna poke around and see if I cannot find something that I might want. I am still on the lookout for some headlights for my Silverado. I've done, I think 2 or 3 restorations on them, and the UV is just wreaking havoc on the lenses. I found some on the internet land but they're all on eBay, and I've bought those eBay headlights before, and they only last about a year or so, and then the mounts break off. They're like $300 for the set, and I don't want to go down that road. But if I can find a decent OEM set, that might work out. No, those aren't it. Here's some cat eye lenses right here. Nope. Those are about as bad as the ones that I have. Okay. Well, the search continues. Let's check this Tahoe over here. Yeah, nothing good in there. Sometimes you find some of these with very interesting interior trim packages that make for great add-ons. Close but no cigar. I also need to get a new grill because mine is still broken from the deer smashing day about a month ago. Oh, look at that little wrecked roller skate. So would you believe it? There's actually people that will go under here to take parts off, and those are braver men than I wouldn't trust my life to some rusty rims. No. Dang. Vintage small block action. It died. Okay, so there's really nothing here piquing my interest anymore. I think I'm about done. Like I said, time is of the essence, and I believe the tour is over. So, pack the show up and get back to the shop. Oh no, that's a waste of a big block. That's too bad. Ooh, what is this? Oh, nothing. Someone's attempt at a dune buggy. Kind of cool, but no. Afraid not. Okay. All right, I'm packing it up. Time to hit the road and get back. Like I said, had enough screwing around. Let's go check out, pay $20 for this piece of plastic, and move on with our lives. All right, mission accomplished. That was easier done than said. I didn't have my hopes up very high for this particular endeavor. Okay, up 9:50. I'm gonna be 5 minutes late. My appointment is in 10 minutes, and the dude's probably already there. So let us make haste and get out of here. All right, we made it back almost in time. Story of my life. Powering down again. Pew. Gonna try this one more time without braking, because I don't want to do all that again. I'm not going to. Not yet. It's close. Snap. Suspense is rising. Okay, that's enough. Victory after defeat. Fantastical. All right, I win.